Hello friends, welcome to the Farm Square. Let's start learning. Please subscribe, comment and give your valuable feedback. Today's topic is protective and adsorbent. Protective protect from the intestinal inflammation and adsorbent protect from intestinal toxin. This is the second part. In the first part I had told you about the protective and adsorbent definition, dysentery, what is dysentery and what is diarrhea. To watch this you have to watch the first part. The link is in the description box, please check it out. So today we have to discuss about the official compound mainly, which is bismuth subcarbonate, which is also known the basic salt. Formula is Bi2O3O2CO3 and kaolin. So first we discuss about the bismuth subcarbonate, which is basic salt. Now the preparation is, it is prepared by dissolving metallic bismuth. In the reaction you can see that it is a metallic bismuth is reacting with the nitric acid. 50% nitric acid, it is written here. 50% nitric acid means 50 grams of nitric acid crystals in 1 liter of water. We get a solution. Now this solution is concentrating by adding to the sodium carbonate, because in this there is no carbonate ion. In this there is no carbonate ion, we have to add the carbonate ion. So by reacting with the sodium carbonate we get the carbonate ion, and now the bismuth subcarbonate is obtained. This is a reaction. Bismuth is reacting with the nitric acid, we get a solution. The solution is then reacting with the sodium carbonate and we get the bismuth subcarbonate. What are the properties? They are white, heavy, odorless, tasteless, microcrystalline powder, insoluble in water and alcohol, readily soluble in hydrochloric acid and sodium and nitric acid with producing effervescence, stable in air and slowly affected by light, hygroscopic in nature. Storage is, it should be stored in well closed container, as we all know that many compounds we have to store in well closed container and should be protected from the light. And the uses is, it's used as a protective and adsorbent, as an ingredient in dusting powder and as antiseptic. It is also used for the topical protective in lotions and ointment. Now what are the adverse effects? If bismuth subcarbonate is used in the large amount, it causes adverse effect. When applied on wounds or taken internally, there is a risk of the nitrate being reduced to nitrite with the development of methemoglobin. We already discussed the methemoglobin in poisoning, in carbon monoxide poisoning. Now we have to discuss the second compound, which is kaolin. Kaolin is also known as China clay. Formula is Al2O3.2SiO2.2 water molecule. It has a 2 water molecule, 2H2O. Preparation is, it is prepared when the rock is mined, excavated and the impurities are washed with the water and then powdered. Large size particles are separated and removed, and what we get the kaolin. Now the properties are, it is plastic like and normally white in nature. It is a clay like taste. It is smooth and soapy in touch. As I told you in earlier classes that kaolin is of 3 types generally. According to the composition, kaolin is classified as heavy kaolin, light kaolin and the natural light kaolin. Now the heavy kaolin, it has the ability to polarize the light 20 micrometer in diameter. Light kaolin has a particle size smaller than the heavy kaolin. As we all know that the light kaolin is having the small particle size than the heavy kaolin. It contains suitable dispersing agent. It is written here, it contains suitable dispersing agent and forms sticky mass. Natural light kaolin, it does not contain any dispersing agent. Now the uses is, it is used as an adsorbent, antidiarrheal when given by oral route. It can absorb toxins and other substances from the alimentary tract and increase the bulk of fecal matter. Externally, the light kaolin is used in the preparation of dusting powder and food additives. So this is all about the protective and adsorbent. And as a quick revision, we have to discuss this, that protective and adsorbent are the chemically inert substances which are used in the treatment of diarrheal condition or dysentery. What is dysentery? Dysentery is diarrhea with blood. Diarrhea is a loss of fluid, electrolyte and water from the body. It is in the serious condition caused by the loss of body fluid and electrolyte. Diarrhea mainly occur because of improper digestion or absorption of food or by bacterial infection. This is the large intestine part. Diarrhea may be two types, mild diarrhea and acute diarrhea. Mild diarrhea occur due to the indigestion of food, and the acute diarrhea is occurred due to the chemical poisoning, food poisoning, allergy of particular food, gastric cancer and toxic contaminated food. Protective and absorbent like bismuth subcarbonate, as I already studied, and kaolin, their insoluble salt leads to the formation of protective coat on mucous membrane. So this is a very important point for the exam point of view. One more point is there, that dysentery is a disease in which watery fluid with or without mucus or blood is eliminated. It is caused by the infection of small protozoa, and we know that the small protozoa is amoeba generally. So this is all about the protective and adsorbent, and if you have any doubt, please write it in the comment box. And this is the second part mainly. So for the first part you have to check the description box, and if you have any suggestion, please write it in the comment box. Thank you, keep supporting. Thanks for watching.